I have the flame started now, and at this point it's just warming up a little bit. It seems to operate a little better when that little keg spout there actually heats up quite a bit. So we give it a few minutes to kind of come to some heat there. You can see it's already starting to develop a nice little flame on there. And that'll get quite a bit better. We have the air control down pretty far right now, but we'll increase that here in a minute. Actually kind of turn it down here just a little bit. That'll let this air out some. So there's two different ways to adjust this. Turn this up a bit until it's increasing the oxygen flow. And then reach in the back behind me. This is a natural gas line that I have here, just hooked right up to the to my heater. It already had an emergency shut off, so I just tapped right into that. We'll just open that up just a little bit more, and that will naturally just let more natural gas go right in there. So we can open that all the way up until we have a huge flame coming out of there. So, and that's obviously not what we want for brewing. What we're going to do, we'll leave that about midway there. And then even though that flame is going quite big on the top there, see with all the orange, we just increase the oxygen. And we're just going to kind of turn that into a nice stream there. That's what we're looking for right there. See, now we got a nice torch going there. Turn this up a little bit more. So now we have the burners nice and warm, and I've got the keg back on the burner stand. Got the keg on the stand, and we'll get you a close look at that and see how it's looking underneath it. Here I have the flame running just a little bit lower. It's real easy adjustment on the air valve. You got a lot of gas going through it, you just turn the oxygen down, or basically turn the little fan motor down, and that'll just more gas will go through there, and you get much more of an oxygen burn off there. So and then you just go crank the gas down just a little bit, and it'll tighten that flame back up a little bit, and you'll end up with something like this. That would be a good flame for just maintaining the boil that you have, kind of regulating a little bit. I'll show you what this looks like with no oxygen going through there, or just minimal oxygen. See, that flame just turns all orangey looking going up the side of the keg. You don't want to do that too much, so we'll just increase that right off the bat there. No idea how many BTUs that is, but that's quite a bit. Our emergency shut off, and everything shuts down. As easy as that, it's just shut off.